Double GTP community. I am joined today with Penny. She'll be working with Olivier, Denise, and myself on the Ngwashi project. So she's going to tell you a bit about the onboarding experience that she's had so far.
Thanks, Mutale. Hello, Double GDP community. As Mutale has already said, my name is Penny and I'm very new to the team. I joined last week as a customer success manager. And just to give you a little insight on the onboarding process, it's been fantastic. It's been very, very enlightening, if I should say. And I will acknowledge Nolan Myers, who's the CEO of this company, who has been very fantastic at just ensuring that we know what we're doing, ensuring that we understand the vision of the company, ensuring that we understand where we're coming from and the progress that we've made and the progress that we're making as we go by. And just to also acknowledge one of my favorite onboarding insights, which has been iteration. And that specifically means, you're giving out information as time goes by. And so I think that is a great principle and a value to have as a company, but also even for myself personally, because at least that helps me have accountability as a human being. Also, just to speak a little bit about the customer success manager role that obviously I'm on right now. This week I've been working hand in hand with Mutale, who has been fantastic at just, giving me her own onboarding of what it really means to be a customer success manager in this particular company, and it's been great. As you may or may not know, right now our customer is Ngwashi, and so we've been working with them, and there's an application that we have made for them and their clients, and specifically for security at the main gate at Ngwashi. So it's been about basically understanding how you enroll customers, how you re-enroll customers that maybe did not get their links or did not get to click on the link when they received their SMSs. And it's also just been about follow-ups this week for me, and just making sure that there's an increase, that we're seeing an increase in our weekly active users weekly, because obviously we are working with targets and goals that we set for ourselves for each week. So it's been a fantastic time trying to understand the application as well itself, and just trying to understand what I'm supposed to be doing in my role in the company, and overall trying to also just get my hands around understanding the company and working hand in hand and solidifying myself with the company in regard to reaching the vision, reaching the goals that have been set. So yes, that's what this week has really been about.
Thanks, Penny. So far, what we have been doing concerning our updates is the showroom kiosk. That's one of the big ones. So we deployed the showroom kiosk to the Ngwashi office, and so far it's been pretty good. The ladies received it pretty well, and there have been a couple of users who have actually used it. So the engineers are working on updating the kiosk to adding an email address and home address as well, because the ladies actually required for these specific features to be added, because they feel their clients, they want to get all the information they can from their clients concerning who is exactly visiting the showroom. So we managed to deploy that, and it's ongoing at the moment. So that was one of the major things that happened. So currently, right now, we're also working on re-enrolling plans. The SMSs were sent out to the clients from Ngwashi, and everybody actually responded to say, yes, we have received these messages, and they are waiting for us to renew them onto the application, and so far it's been going pretty well. The response from clients has been a bit slow, but it's picking up as we go day by day, so which is a good thing. And the enrolling at the gate has also been okay. People are actually happy about receiving this application onto their phones because they feel security is more security cautious, and they feel more, I guess, secure in a way that they actually have something at the gate rather than just having paper logs being used. So concerning events, we're hoping to collaborate with the Ngwashi when it comes to having events at the site, because we feel if we can collaborate with them on events, we'll be able to better serve their customers, and people at the gate will be able to access the site faster and easier. So we actually had an event on, was it last week Monday or a week or 2 weeks ago? And unfortunately, we did not get any heads up concerning this event. So a pileup actually ended up happening at the gate, and we want to avoid this in the future to be able to collaborate with Inkwashi and just be able to send out links or passcodes to people who will be attending the event, and that way to be more streamlined and easier for the guards to be able to give access to whoever is visiting the site. So when it comes to actual feedback as well from clients who are using the application, a thumbs up, thumbs down feature was added, and clients are actually using that. Whoever logs into the application is able to give us feedback in real time. And so far, all we've gotten is a thumbs up, which is a very, very good thing. So that feature has really helped us out a lot. So yeah, I think that's our update for now. And then I guess anything to add on to would be some clients are actually forward-minded in the sense that they have visitors who want to come and visit them. For example, a resident who's living at Inkwashi and has guests who want to visit them, they actually do reach out to us and say, I want my visitor to be registered on this application so that they're able to access the site and the guide will just scan them in. So that's actually a very good thing. That shows us that these clients actually know how the process works and who they can reach out to, which is Penny or myself. So we're really, really happy that clients are actually responding to this withdrawal and are actually even requesting for passes for their own visitors as well and actually respecting this procedure. Yeah. So that's our update. Anything else?
Yeah, just to reiterate what Mutale has said regarding the response, like for example, the example she was given in regards to the resident who was actually there and requested for us to enroll their visitors. It's just a sign of progression and the acceptance of automating the entrance to the Inkwashi site. And so generally, even when we look at our thumbs up and the responses that people are giving, for us, it gives us hope and it gives us a future to say, okay, this is something that is actually working. This is something people are very interested in. And so, you know, it also keeps us motivated to keep going and to keep pushing, regardless the blockers that we might find in regard to, say, re-enrolling users or follow-ups when people don't respond. But again, as Mutale has said, you know, it is picking up. Little by little, people are understanding and are actually, once they get the hang of it, are actually feeling more secure in, you know, getting on board with the application. So that's fantastic.
So thank you so much, the WGDP community, for watching our video, and we'll see you next time.
All right.
Bye.